Hidden away in Royal D-side is Balmoral Castle. It was the Queen and Prince Philip's favourite royal hideaway. It's played host to a number of dignitaries, presidents, prime ministers, and I'm sure if the walls could talk, they'd spill some really juicy secrets. But there is a secret that Balmoral Castle hides. Yep, Balmoral Estate is home to Scotland's hidden pyramids. I know, I find it a bit baffling as well. Scotland has many hidden treasures. I wouldn't have thought a pyramid was one, but there you go. I'm on my way to Balmoral to find the cairns, or as we've all come to know it now, the secret pyramid. I still can't get my head around it, you know? If you do want to go and find the pyramid, the easiest place to park up is at Crathy, where you can park overnight. There are plenty of designated spaces. Now it is pay and display, but I lucked out because the pay machines were out of order. Results! Now annoyingly, there are signs everywhere around the estate banning the use of drones, so I've got no aerial footage this time. Anywho, you cross the River Dee, keep going past the War Memorial, and the castle gates. What you're looking out for are the signs directing you towards Lochnagar Distillery. If you can see them, you're on the right track. You'll go past the golf course, which I don't imagine would be a very cheap round, and keep following those signs. Now the route is on Walk Highlands and it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, loads of signs for the distillery. Once you get about 100 metres up the hill, you'll see some houses on the right. Head towards those and then it's a left turn. Now from here it's pretty much all uphill. The terrain's really not that bad. Bear in mind, it was icy when I was out and this was also the day after Storm Éowyn. The guides at the castle gates looked a bit shocked that anyone was doing the trail with the risk of falling trees, but there we go. That'd be a bit slidey. You know, it's funny, I've passed this a couple of times doing the Balmoral 10k. Because we come that way down, I would have missed the signs every single time. So I have passed the cairn and just never known. Well, at least the sign posted. Now all in all, there's 11 cairns on the Balmoral estate, though I imagine most folk are only here for one. And not too far into the trail, I found my first cairn, which I was quite excited about. Okay, so I've only been on this path a couple of minutes. I found myself a cairn, got my first one. I love this. Here's a cairn to commemorate a wedding. That plaque is all about the fact that Beatrice and Henry got married back in 1835. I guess before Clinton's was a thing. Couldn't exactly send them a card, so build them a cairn. Great idea. Funny, I thought I was the only person here today, but I see footprints. There's maybe someone else out hunting for pyramids. Where are you? That appears to be a pyramid. If I'm not mistaken, this would be the pyramid. Built in 1862 in memory of Prince Albert. Of course, if you've done even the littlest bit of history, you remember when he died, that was it. Queen Victoria, she kind of went off the rails, didn't she? She got all sad. I'm pretty sure these days they'd call it depression, but she kind of bolted herself away and just never really got over the loss. Now if you look down, if you're right in front of the plaque, you can see why this was built here, because just down there, behind the trees, well, that'd be Balmoral Castle. So I guess kind of felt like he was always watching over her. That would be Crathy Kirk, you know, the church the royals go to when they're at Balmoral. At least it's across the road, it counts. Now from memory, I'm pretty sure that Walk Highland says it's like a 2 or 3 hour walk. That was less than an hour. I mean, I suppose if you want to go and see all the cairns, it maybe takes a wee bit longer, but if you're just coming for the pyramid, the big yin, you'll easily make it in under an hour. I was enjoying the view. I picked a brilliant day to go wandering. It's lovely and sunny for about 5 minutes.
A few minutes later.
On the bright side, at least it's scenic when it's snowing. That was pretty well timed. I got up there before the snow came, before there was much in the way of people there. Now I get to go home and warm myself up. You know, the view on the walk up was pretty impressive, but now that it's snowing, I think descent's equally as good. I was kind of set for, right, here's me at a pyramid, catch you next time. And then it started snowing. I thought I'd have more time to get back down off the hill before it started, but nope. Joys of living in Scotland. It's snowing. So yeah, I'm thinking I timed that pretty well. I mean, I got up before the weather turned. I think at this time of year, when your flat's warm and outside isn't, you know, if I'd looked out the window and seen snow first thing this morning, I don't think I would have bothered leaving the house, but I got the best of the sunshine. I'm refusing to take my sunnies off. So yeah, thanks as always for watching. Now, you might have noticed at the start of the video, there's no bulkhead in the van. There's a reason for that. I was going to put out a video this weekend of me working on the van, but again, with the weather being the way it is, Plans have changed a little bit, i.e. I'm running behind. So I'm hoping my next video is going to be an update on the van. It's getting there. And then depending on time frames, the one after that, well, I can't really say anything about it, but it's going to be good. I promise you, the next video that's me out and about is worth hanging about for. So if you haven't done it already, hit subscribe. If you've got any other hidden gems around Scotland that I should go and check out, is there a pyramid near you? I doubt it, but you know, there might be. Let us know in the comments below, and yeah, I'll catch you next time.